Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you kind of a quick update or just a walkthrough on what you can expect during this week for week 2 and lesson 2. I want to make sure that you understand your assignments, that you understand what it is that you're supposed to be doing, and that, if you have any questions, that you kind of know where to go. So, first of all, I want to make sure that you guys are reviewing every part of the lesson, every link that you guys have. This first one, the introduction lesson 2, it it gives you it gives you just an outline of what you will be doing this week. It's really nice, and I suggest that you go through and read it. Um, one of my one of the things that is really beneficial is this points to ponder link right here that you'll see. And if you go on there, I would just take a minute, read through the questions, and it gives you an idea of what you should be able to answer by the end of the week. This will really help you come the midterm because a lot of that information will kind of help guide you as far as what to study. You'll have to read this article on the historical and the philosophical perspectives of the field of marriage and family studies. It'll give you a good background of how it got started and just kind of where it's coming from. Um, you'll also have a chance to watch this video. It only takes about 20 minutes, okay? All right, so now for the careers in family science, you will go ahead and read that, and it'll give you a good idea of what to expect, what kind of careers that you might go into, what this will prepare you for in the future. After you do that, you'll get to look into this career profile, and let's click over here. And for this profile, you are going to get the chance to research a job that you might be interested in. Okay, for this first one, you will be doing two, but for the first one, you will have to research a job that you will only need a bachelor's degree for. So if you're interested, I know many of you are interested in becoming a marriage and family therapist or going into social work later on. That you can do for your second career profile. But for now, your first one, make sure that you only need a bachelor's degree. Um, I did pull up the career right here. You'll see the example career profile. I want you to look at that when you have a chance. It will give you some information, just kind of what yours should look like, your name, the job title, the information that you have. Notice there aren't bullet points. So for typical stressors, it's in, you see here that it's sentence formation, it's in paragraph form. I want you to research it, find the information that you need, put it in your own words. Please do not copy and paste all of the information here, okay? I want it to be in your own words. Just provide a summary of the information that you have found. Um, and then the other thing I really want you to pay attention to or just kind of key into is the rubric. You'll see the rubric right here. You just have to click the down arrow and it'll open it up for you. When I'm grading, I really key into what the rubric is asking for, and that helps me to kind of grade everyone fairly. Um, the writing quality, just make sure that you're using professional tone, complete sentences, and please double check your spelling, okay? Working environment, it's just going through each area of the career profile and just make sure that it is in there, okay? For the salary range, it does want the starting salary that's on there, it wants the starting salary and the highest, like the someone who has already been working for a while. And then be sure to list where you got your sources. If you have a chance, I encourage you to talk with somebody, interview somebody, call, make an appointment, see if someone can talk to you. I think that the people that have been able to do that have been able to get a very thorough, just get more information. It's very thorough information on what to expect and what they can expect for typical stressors or just the day-to-day, the ins and outs of the job. Okay. After you do that, you will go ahead and present this to your classmates, to all of the other people. It's going to give them a good idea of what else they can expect because you guys are researching one job each, and this will give everybody a better idea of what else is out there. The video doesn't need to be very long. I would say 3 to 5 minutes at the most, okay? You don't have to, I mean, just give the most important information, kind of go through your profile that you wrote up and just use it to make your video. One thing that I will say is that when it asks for you to put your link in the discussion, you'll put it here in the discussion. Well, not there, but you'll put it in the discussion for week 3. And I ask that you put the link. So if everyone's putting a video for me to download, it takes up a lot of space on my computer and it takes up a lot of time. So it's easier for you to just, or it's easier for me to just have you put the link so that I can just click it and watch it so that your classmates can click it and watch it and they don't have to download it either. I will take off one point if I do end up having to download just because it kind of just takes more time to do for not only myself but those other ones who want to watch your video and get all that good information. Let's see what else. And then for this, the discussion board, make sure that you are participating in the discussion board and getting your information on there. So for this week, sorry, my computer's being a little bit slow. For this week, we are looking at an input of high-low salary. So what you'll do is just based on your Career One profile, after you've gone through that information, you'll enter the starting salary range and the experience salary range and just put the title. So for instance, family caseworker, starting salary $35,000 a year and experienced 45 or whatever you might find out. Be sure to do it in annual salary. I don't want $15 per hour or $17 per hour because it does kind of throw the numbers off. So make sure that you do that because again, the rubric will ask starting salary listed as yearly rate. Okay, experience salary listed as yearly rate. So I just want to make sure you guys kind of know what I'm looking for as far as grading, so that you follow the rubric and that when I grade it, I can just quickly look over and see the annual salary. Okay, if you have any questions, again, remember to use the weekly questions and conversations for anything you might need questions asked, or if you might need to ask a question. Your classmates can help out there. I will be checking that board. If it's a personal question, please feel free to email me. And again, if you guys need help with anything, just let me know. Otherwise, enjoy the assignments this week, and I hope that you guys learn a lot. All right, thanks.